Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to host a Next.js website on Vercel. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into your video. So first of all, you need to deploy our Next.js website on Vercel. So for this, it is a very straightforward process that integrates directly with your Git repository. So once you go and tap open your Git repository, you need to simply get logged into it. Now push your Next.js project to a Git repository. After this, you need to create a new repository on your chosen Git provider and push your local repository to it. After this, create a Vercel account. If you don't have one, sign up for free Vercel account and click on Start Deploying. After this, authorize Vercel to access your Git account and import your project to Vercel. Once this is done, configure and deploy. You need to configure your Vercel account and then monitor and view your deployed site. Once this is done, you can simply enjoy your continuous deployment and you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.